even know. So what, is this the right mode? But it's 700 now?
Yeah.
It wasn't even a 700 at first?
No, it was an Eco.
What the fuck? Oh my god! It's sideways so easy. We got a state trooper right here. Jeez. Before we get deeper in this vlog, y'all, I finally got my merch, man. My personal merch just came. I know a lot of people be asking, do I got the merch? Can I bring it to them? Y'all, everything is online. I don't really keep any merch on hand, so y'all see for my own personal merch, I literally had to order it myself. So if y'all need that merch, man, y'all go tap in at therealtez.com, or I'm gonna drop the link in the description and at the top of the video so y'all can click that link. But yeah, man, go get that merch, man. The TRF merch is finally out. Whenever I stop and get a chance to rip this package open, I'm gonna show y'all the merch I got just so y'all can see what it look like and y'all can see the quality is really worth it. I didn't put it all on camera because we ended up meeting at the police station, you feel me? I wanted to make it a quick transaction, but yeah, y'all see we got the bead locks. Just pop the trunk just to show y'all, but these is the skinnies, man. So finally got a full drag pack, man. I hope y'all can see that. A lot is about to change. I told y'all a lot finna change, so we going hard this time with the drag pack, y'all. And so I'm finna go ahead and put these Mickeys back up there. Y'all can see good trail left, y'all. These really look brand new. Dude told me that they was grip in the first gear in his vet, so the only reason why he sold them is because I guess he wanted some wheels. But y'all see, I just hit a lick, y'all. Definitely came up. I wanted to show y'all the merch since we already out the car, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the merch, man. For all the ones that still sleep on the merch, man, for everybody that's not trying to tap in on the merch, y'all, this is my personal one. Y'all see, I ain't even get to see it yet. This is my first time actually seeing it, and y'all, I can tell y'all the quality is definitely worth it, y'all. I really don't want to get it dirty, but just look, man, the string's not cheap. Real good quality hoodie, man. So the next vlog I will be wearing this. So yeah, man, if y'all haven't tapped in, hit that link at the top of the screen or in the description, because I need all the real ones to tap in on the merch, man. If you TRF, if you with the real fam, go ahead and order some merch, man. I want to definitely see everybody in it. Go ahead and get that merch, man. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one, gang. I'm out. Y'all can see it is the very next day, and we didn't pick the ZL1 up, but we got another car for y'all, man. I know y'all seen that last vlog when we drove the Escalade. I know some of y'all probably was wondering where you get that car from, who car it is. Y'all, it was a rental, so I don't want to confuse none of y'all. If y'all see a lot of these cars that y'all haven't really seen, or if I'm just test driving them, 9 times out of 10 it is a rental. Shout out to my boy Brandon, because he the one that's paying for the rental. Every time he get one, he literally just tell me, hey Tez, I got a car, you can come drive for the channel. So huge shout out to my boy Brandon, man. If y'all been here, we only drove one Hellcat, y'all, and it was my boy TY body Hellcat. It was 100% stock, and I don't think this one is stock. I think it got an exhaust on here because it sounds good as hell, y'all. But y'all can see we got the engine pop, man. Y'all can see that big old Hellcat supercharger in there, man. Y'all see the supercharged Hemi. It's not a red eye, so we don't got the red eyes, but yeah, man, y'all see we got the stock intake, the SRT on there. Nothing really crazy. Y'all can see, like I said, the engine, everything from the motor is stock. I think it has the exhaust on there. I'm gonna actually go ahead and start it up. Damn, a lot of shit spit out at the camera, y'all. You got my boy Josh dog barking. What's up, girl? What's up? But yeah, this thing sounded good. I don't know if it's the exhaust leak on it or what, but something sound kind of off. It sound good for sure, way better than the stock Hellcat, but I don't know what's going on. It sound like it's a leak in there. Y'all heard it, y'all can see it, man. It is a wide body. I think they said it got scat wheels on it, so that's why I look a little off. So y'all can see these wheels look a little smaller now that I look. What are those? Oh, actually these is 315, y'all. I don't know why they look smaller. Might just be the tire brand, but yeah, I heard these are scat pack rims. I thought I seen these rims on Hellcats, but I don't know. Y'all leave me a comment. Y'all know I'm Chevy Gang. I don't know everything about the Mopars, but yeah, man, all my Mopar people, y'all leave a comment, man. I'm finna take this thing for a ride. Really just see how fast I can get it to. I really want to do a top speed video to see how high I can get this thing to. So yeah, man, I'm finna hop in there, give y'all a little ride, give y'all my reactions, cause y'all know I'm really Chevy gang, bro. Y'all know I always say I would never give it a ZL1 for a Hellcat. I wanna ride this thing and see how I ride, man. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Leave a like in the comment, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think of these fire uploads, y'all. Finna go ahead and set this thing. And y'all finna see Tez in a Hellcat, man. Probably finna have my boy Brandon come record me pulling up and doing a little flyby like it's really my car, so I can confuse some people. After I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and do this little vlog for y'all, man, and hop up in there and give y'all this ride. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna see y'all in a hot second. All right, gang, we finna start this thing up. We finna get straight to it, y'all. Ooh, that thing sound good. Only 17,000 miles on it. Let's see what this 717 feel like, y'all. Even got the seat so high. I ain't gonna lie, I wish I knew how to turn the traction and shit off. Throw this thing in manual first. This thing might need a trans tune too. I feel like it's shifting a little late. Oh my god. Yo, to be stock, this thing feel crazy. I ain't gonna lie, T Hellcat didn't feel like this, y'all. This thing it gets sideways so easy, y'all. Like it be fishtailing. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This thing getting me excited. I am not gonna lie. It's that supercharger whine. Oh my god. So bro, this thing, bro, I am obsessed with this thing. If people want to pull out in the front, they don't know how to drive. But yeah, this thing moving, bro. I like how it gets so loose so easy. I ain't used to the paddle shifters, y'all. That's why I'm using the shift knob. Man, this thing, it sound good, feel good, all that. I don't know nothing about the modes, bro. SRT. Yeah, I don't know nothing about the modes, y'all, so I don't know what mode I'm in right now. Oh my god, y'all, I think I need a Hellcat, gang. I don't want to get rid of the ZL1. But I definitely want to add a Hellcat to the fucking channel, bro. Y'all see it got me cussing. I am really excited in this thing. This thing is crazy. Bro. Oh, this dude behind me trying to rev. I need a Hellcat, bro. Bro, for real, bro. Like, this bitch drive different, bro.
It's drive crazy, bitch. We hear you yanking that bitch.
Bro, like, this bitch, it's like way more exciting than the Camaro. Like, I rode T-shit the other wide body, but bro, this one different, bro. Like, it feel loose as hell. Even know. So what is this the right mode? Let's say auto. Now it's in there.
That's exactly how I set it up. I let your foot off the head, driving like that. That's the 700.
So this 700 now?
Yeah.
It wasn't even a 700 at first?
No, it was an Eco.
What the bro, no, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, it's like way looser than the Camaro, bro. Like, Camaro's so stiff. You said the paddle shift? I like the shift knob.
Back up.
Yeah, I'm about to get active with the paddle shifters. I'm gonna call y'all when I'm on the way back. Alright. Bro, what the hell, bro? I definitely need a Hellcat, bro. I'm not trying to hype it up, gang. I definitely need a Hellcat. And for some reason, this GoPro 8 literally like tap out on me 24/7. This is like the 4th vlog I did a video and this GoPro just gave out on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect my 7. I never really had any problems with it, but man, I don't know what the hell going on with this 8. I'm gonna just go ahead and switch to GoPros because I'm not digging this GoPro, bro. It was working and it started beeping and it just started tweaking. So honestly, I had to pull over at Burger King, try to fix it, but yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and put the 7 up here because I don't got time for this GoPro 8, y'all. Like it don't even want to cut on right now. Sorry for the little inconvenience, but y'all see, I ain't finna keep going getting a video without the camera working. So much for the GoPros, y'all. The GoPro 7 just died as well, so we just gonna be off the vlogging camera. I don't really mind. I like to use this camera anyways. I just rather be hands-free so I can actually really drive the car, but it's alright, I can multitask, gang. We gonna go ahead and slap this thing back in manual. Since we got it in custom mode now, y'all, and wipe this off. We gonna put this thing on the highway, man, try to get a top speed, y'all. Like, overall, y'all can see I really like the Cat, bro. Like, the excitement from a Hellcat is just like uncomparable. Like, you can't really compare another car with this excitement at all, probably besides a Demon or a Red Eye. But like a Camaro, stock for stock, a Hellcat is way more exciting. I just feel like it's so loose and it's like, it's just more exciting. Like a Camaro, it can get loose, but the suspension on them things is just too tight, you know. It's set up for like a track. This, I don't know, I feel like it's just different, bro. It's kind of hard to explain the feeling. But we going on our bridge. We definitely finna get this thing under the bridge. Y'all see when in first gear. Let's see how this thing sound. Woo, we missed, but it's alright. The pops on this thing is crazy. I know y'all can hear them pops. Woo, y'all, this thing is screaming. That supercharger. I don't know if this thing got a tune on it or what, but bro, this thing don't feel stock. Like, this thing move, and I don't know, like, if it's just like a comfort thing, you know, because like at my ZL1, it feel a little rough and it feel like a little scary when you get to high speeds, bro. This thing, like, you just go, bro, and it don't want to stop. We're definitely gonna hit that top speed, y'all. Let's see if we can hit the top speed in here. Woo! Shit, that's 150 easy. Oh my goodness. Hey, the real fam, y'all tell me what y'all think about this ride, man. Cause y'all see me in the Cat for real or what? I'm not gonna lie, man. I really like them more after this drive, bruh. It could be this car. I don't know if it's a stock tune. I don't know what, but this thing move for sure, bro. Trying to hit that top speed. I think we hit 150, y'all. Let's see if we can get to 180. Let's throw this thing in third. Y'all. I think we can get to 180 or what? I don't know. But the real fam, I know I keep asking y'all, but I really want to know y'all real opinion on this, man. Should I add a cat to the channel with the ZL1? Should I get rid of the ZL1 for it or what? I've been mentioning we is gonna add another car. I just feel like with only having, what, 7,000, 8,000 subscribers, I don't think that's a good thing right now. I feel like if I invest like that, you know, I gotta make it worth it. I feel like I should do something like that, you know, add another car when I get to like 15, maybe 20K subscribers. You know, I don't want to do it so early. I'm gonna do another little quick pull, manual mode engage. Like, this thing gets sideways too. Get a second? Nah. This thing is moving, y'all. I'm taking the extra right now. I'm gonna go take this thing back. I see we got the engine light on, but it could just be something minor, y'all. Ooh, we got a state trooper right here. Jeez. I didn't want to get too loud with that state trooper back there, y'all. I know these like the hottest cars in Michigan, really the hottest cars in the damn world. I hear that supercharger whine to get me excited. When I hear that supercharger whine to get me excited. Woo! Sideways. This might be the perfect little road for the top speed. Wasn't comfortable. I like 150, this thing started to get shaky. I don't know, I don't want to keep pushing it with one hand. Like if I would have had the GoPro, that wouldn't really be a problem. I wouldn't mind using two hands. But getting a little shaky at 150, nah, I ain't finna kill myself for no cat, bro. This ain't even my car. I'd rather go out in a ZL1 before I go out in a damn cat. Y'all, we vlogging today, y'all. The real fam, y'all say what's good. And I'm finna go to this bridge though, y'all. Hold on. I gotta hear this thing under the bridge. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna let the live see the rest of this, y'all. I'm gonna cut the vlog back on in a second. Alright guys, y'all see, we just finally made it back, man. Get a cat back to them boys, man. Yeah, man, y'all tell me what y'all think, man. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next one, gang. I'm out.